Good morning.
Hi.
So we had a bit of a chill morning this morning, enjoyed the sunshine, had some coffee at the place we were at, and now we've come to Wairere Falls.
Yeah, I think we're probably just going to do the walk to the lookout at the bottom rather than to the summit because it looks like it's going to drag it down.
It's threatening terrain.
So it's like 45 minutes to the bottom of the falls, or 90 to the top, and then we've obviously got to get back as well. So
We're expecting to probably get a little damp, but we have waterproofs, we have everything we need. So yeah, we shall see how the walk is and go from there. Right, see you on the walk.
it's nice so far.
So it's about 45 minutes to the base of the waterfall.
Yeah, like the lower lookout.
Another 45 minutes to the top. But we're not probably going to go to the summit today because it looks like it's going to rain. And also
There's a massive bank of clouds, so don't think we'd see anything.
the actual area we're supposed to be looking at.
As you can see, you cannot see much.
Well, as you can't see. But yeah,
Go to the bottom.
45 minutes there, 45 minutes back. Nice little walk. Nice start of the day. Nice little stop. But onwards. So far, it's actually been a really nice little hike. It's just enough of a scramble to make it interesting without being like completely over the top.
Yeah, quite nice.
No. Yeah, there's still stuff to climb over, but it's not hands and knees to get over stuff. Yeah, like it. In that mist, you can just about make out stuff going up, but not much. Pretty jungly, isn't it?
Yeah. It's a lot more up than I thought it would be to get to the bottom bit.
Yeah, it's been really nice. Not too strenuous, but enough that you feel like you're doing something. You may not be able to hear me now, so I'll speak loudly, but yeah. I mean, pretty. Down that way. In the immortal words of a classic, look at that boulder. That is a nice boulder. I'm losing. Hey! Really nice. So yeah, that's impressive, but then just about make out the forest. What a view!
Hello. Lovely.
Yeah, it's a good view, isn't it? So look out 1 minute. The top's that way, but we're not going that way. We look this way. What do you see? Yeah, that's tall. So we've made it to the lookout. And the reveal is pretty good. We made it. It's a great waterfall. How big is it?
You can't tell how big it is because it's quite far away, but
Yeah, it's huge. The sun's come out now as we're walking back.
that's also fine.
It's also fine. Better than it raining. But yeah, really nice walk.
Yeah, it's all a little bit.
Like 45 minutes, you know, to a nice view and back again. Yeah.
Fun little time.
Yeah.
Super technical.
Nah. Like, you don't have to think about it too much, but you still have to think, which is quite nice. Like, there's enough little bits that are off the trail. Yeah, like it. So yeah, you can actually see the waterfall from here, which we could not see earlier.
No, there was lots of cloud here. Yeah, we would have known that it was at least.
So yeah, and then you go. So this is the other place that you can get picked up from for the Hobbiton tour. Yeah. Not that anything gave it away or anything. It's cute. Normal town. We're at Hobbiton. So Alex is cooking dinner. What we got on? We have lentil spag bowl-esque thing, and Alex is now just sorting out the actual spaghetti. Very nice.
Yes, I'm trying to fight the dark cloud.
The very dark cloud. Parrots in the park. So, Alex, who is my light source at the moment, and I are walking around a glowworm track. I can't see anything at the moment because all I see is this light, but we're going to see if we can see anything. Should be about 5 minutes that way, and then go from there.
Here at Mclaren Fakks camping.
Yeah? They can't see you, but you're there.
Yeah. Hey. Oh, no, and
Wait.
ah. Hey.
Spooky. So yeah, we're going to go do that and see if we can see anything. If we can, I'll either take some pictures or a video. If not, darkness. So you definitely can see the little glows of the glowworms, but you can't see the actual glowworm as well. It is very, very dark. So just trying to give you a little bit of light. So they're under a tree like that. And then, yeah, they're glowing. It's really, really cute. You can't see the waterfall. Still can't see the waterfall. You can't really tell, but those little lights are glowworm. And yeah.
Underneath the trees.
Yeah, so I'll put like a red light onto them. Yeah, so this is a big tree, and then it was very good. Top marks. Top marks.
Yeah, that's very good. Good morning. So we are still in Mclaren Falls Park. We had a very chilled morning, doing some work and enjoying the sunshine. And now we just come for a little walk in the park before we leave, so we can actually see it in the daylight, because we only saw it in the night. But it's lovely. It's a gorgeous day as well. Yeah, there's lots of forests and little walks, and then there's a massive lake as well. Yeah. Oh, ducks. Hello, ducks.